Hello and welcome to this brief episode featuring the colorful lifestyle and decorated career of Vonnie Miller. Vonnie Miller is an American football linebacker for the Buffalo Bills of the National Football League, NFL. Miller played college football at Texas A&M, where he earned consensus All-American honors and the Butkus Award. He was selected by the Denver Broncos second overall in the 2011 NFL Draft. About Miller's early life and personal life, religion and education background, Miller was born on March 26, 1989, in DeSoto in Dallas, Texas, to parents Vonnie and Gloria Miller. His parents were both athletes in high school and college and owned a power supply business. He has a younger brother Vinsynzie Vince. Having majored in poultry science at Texas A&M, Miller operates his own farm, raising chickens. Miller has had 2 children with a longtime girlfriend. He has been romantically linked to several women, including singer Michelle, model Megan Denise, and dancer Witney Carson. He is a devout Christian and has a tattoo of a cross on his chest. Miller attended DeSoto High School, where he excelled in both football and track and field. He graduated in 2007 and received a scholarship to play football at Texas A&M University, where he majored in poultry science and graduated in 2011 with a bachelor's degree. In April 2020, Miller was diagnosed with COVID-19, recovering from it by the following month. About Miller's high school college career, he attended DeSoto High School, where he played for the DeSoto Eagles high school football team and ran track. In his junior year, he recorded 37 tackles, 14 tackles for loss, 7 sacks, and 12 quarterback hurries. As a senior, he was named the District 8-5A Defensive MVP after making 76 tackles, 14 tackles for loss, and 6 sacks. He played with future Aggie teammate Cyrus Gray in track and field. Miller competed in events such as the 110m hurdles, personal record, PR, of 14.38 s, triple jump, PR of 12.65 m, and javelin throw, PR of 37.24 m. Considered a 4-star recruit by Rivals.com, Miller was listed as the number 15 weak side defensive end in the nation in 2007. He chose Texas A&M over offers from Florida, LSU, Oklahoma. Miller played for the Texas A&M Aggies from 2007 to 2010. He started as a defensive end, but switched to outside linebacker in his junior year. He led the nation in sacks with 17 in 2009 and 10.5 in 2010. He also had 21.5 and 17.5 tackles for loss in those seasons, respectively. He was a consensus All-American and the winner of the Butkus Award and the Jack Lambert Trophy in 2010. He finished his college career with 182 tackles, 50.5 tackles for loss, 33 sacks, and 7 forced fumbles. About Miller's professional career, Miller was drafted by the Denver Broncos with the 2nd overall pick in the 2011 NFL Draft. He made an immediate impact in his rookie season, earning the Defensive Rookie of the Year award and his first Pro Bowl selection. He had 11.5 sacks, 64 tackles, and 3 forced fumbles in 2011. He improved his numbers in 2012 with 18.5 sacks, 68 tackles, 6 forced fumbles, and an interception that he returned for a touchdown. He was named a first-team All-Pro and the Butkus Award winner for the best professional linebacker. Miller missed the first 6 games of the 2013 season due to a suspension for violating the NFL's substance abuse policy. He returned to action in Week 7, but suffered a torn ACL in Week 16 that ended his season. He had 5 sacks, 34 tackles, and 3 forced fumbles in 9 games. He bounced back in 2014 with 14 sacks, 59 tackles, and a career-high 4 fumble recoveries. He earned his 3rd Pro Bowl and 2nd-team All-Pro honors. Miller had his best season in 2015 when he helped the Broncos win Super Bowl 50 over the Carolina Panthers. He had 11 sacks, 35 tackles, and 4 forced fumbles in the regular season, and added 5 sacks, 11 tackles, and 2 forced fumbles in the postseason. He was named the Super Bowl MVP after recording 2.5 sacks, 6 tackles, and 2 forced fumbles in the championship game. He became the first defensive player to win the Super Bowl MVP since 2003. Miller signed a 6-year, $114.5 million contract extension with the Broncos in 2016, making him the highest-paid defensive player in NFL history at the time. He continued his stellar play, with 13.5 sacks, 78 tackles, and 3 forced fumbles in 2016. He was named a first-team All-Pro and the Pro Bowl Defensive MVP. He had 10 sacks, 57 tackles, and 2 forced fumbles in 2017, and 14.5 sacks, 48 tackles, and 4 forced fumbles in 2018. He earned his 6th and 7th Pro Bowl and 2nd-team All-Pro selections in those seasons. Miller's production declined in 2019, when he had 8 sacks, 46 tackles, and no forced fumbles. He still made his 8th consecutive Pro Bowl, but missed the All-Pro team for the first time since 2013. He missed the entire 2020 season due to an ankle injury that required surgery. He also faced domestic abuse allegations from his ex-girlfriend, which he denied. Miller was traded to the Los Angeles Rams in 2021, joining forces with fellow defensive stars Aaron Donald and Jalen Ramsey. He had 4.5 sacks, 19 tackles, and a forced fumble in 9 games with the Rams, and helped them reach Super Bowl 56. He had 2 sacks, 4 tackles, and a forced fumble in the Super Bowl, as the Rams defeated the Kansas City Chiefs 31-24. He became the 4th player in NFL history to win 2 Super Bowls with 2 different teams, and the first to win Super Bowl MVP with one team and another Super Bowl with another team. Miller signed with the Buffalo Bills as a free agent in 2022, reuniting with his former Broncos coach Sean McDermott. He had 9 sacks, 41 tackles, and 2 forced fumbles in 16 games with the Bills, and helped them clinch the AFC East title. About Miller's business ventures and endorsements, Miller has been involved in various business ventures and endorsements throughout his career. He owns a poultry farm in Texas, where he raises chickens and sells eggs. He has also invested in a social media app called Cam Newton, a sports nutrition company called 6 Star Pro Nutrition, and a clothing line called Von Miller's Western Collection. Miller has endorsed several brands, such as Adidas, Old Spice, CarMax, Microsoft, and Beats by Dre. He has appeared in commercials, video games, and magazines, such as Madden NFL, GQ, and ESPN The Magazine. He has also participated in charity events, such as the Vonnie B'VSean Foundation, which provides eye care and glasses to underprivileged children. Miller has also shown his personality and talent in other fields, such as dancing, music, and comedy. He competed in the 22nd season of Dancing with the Stars, where he partnered with Witney Carson and finished in 8th place. He has also performed rap songs, such as Start a Fight and Chicken Farming. He has also hosted Saturday Night Live, where he impersonated celebrities such as Justin Bieber, Barack Obama, and Drake. About Miller's wealth and net worth. Miller is one of the highest-paid players in the NFL, having earned over $200 million in his career. He has also made millions from his endorsements and business ventures. His net worth is estimated to be around $40 million as of 2022. He owns several properties, such as a mansion in Colorado, a ranch in Texas, and a penthouse in Los Angeles. He also owns a collection of cars, such as a Ford Raptor, a Ferrari 458 Spider, and a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Thank you for watching. All the best until next time. Kindly like and subscribe for more interesting and similar content.